Hey guys, what's up? My name is Will, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of a Menlo Club box. If you're not familiar with Menlo Club, they are a $60 a month men's fashion box. They send you 2 or 3 items a month, and slowly your wardrobe gets upgraded, and you start looking better and dressing better and feeling better. Something cool that happened this month, I'm now officially part of the Menlo Club Ambassador Program, sort of a insider program where I'm sort of officially sponsored by them. They send me clothes for me to try on and share with you guys. And I'm going to have a code soon that I can share with you to get yourself a discount if you're interested in signing up. And actually, you should see that below. But I want you guys to know that I still actually pay for Menlo Club. While they are sending me some clothes to show you for free, I still pay for a second account because I love the clothes and I love the program that much. And I feel like they've upgraded my style that much that it is still worth paying for the program. So while I am now sort of making a sponsored video here, I love them so much that I am still giving them my money. I'm not just getting the free stuff. I am still giving them my money. So with that said, let's check out the clothes.